How to fix YouTube app not loading or stuck on home screen. Let's get started. First, check your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Switch networks or restart your router if needed. Next, restart the app. Launch it. First, close the YouTube app. Launch it, swipe up and close it. Then reopen it to see if the issue resolves. Next, update the YouTube app. So close this, launch your App Store or Play Store. Search for the app YouTube. After app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Likewise, restart your device. A simple restart can fix app freezing or startup issues. Next, check date and time settings. For that, close this and launch your settings app. Click on the option General, head over to the option Date and Time, enable for the option Set Automatically. Incorrect time can block app syncing. Likewise, scroll up and click on the option Software Update. If any updates are available for your device, just update it. Lastly, what you want to do is completely delete YouTube from your device and reinstall it. So press and hold on the YouTube app, click on Remove App, click on Delete App, click on Delete. Navigate to App Store or Play Store, search for the app YouTube and then install it. And that's it. These are some fixes for YouTube app not loading or stuck on home screen. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.